Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Ladies and gentlemen, what an absolutely crazy week for Telegram. For those of you that have joined, congratulations, we've made some insane profits. But for those of you that still haven't, make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to stay updated with my chart. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we broke above a very key resistance level here, 1839. For those of you that were part of Telegram yesterday, you guys already knew the fact that I warned you guys to be very careful shorting into this range because we were seeing multiple manipulation candlesticks. Looking at the hourly more in depth here, you can see the fact that these few candlesticks right here had a body formed without a wick towards the downside, and you can see we saw multiple candlesticks like this being formed without any sort of wicks hitting the exponential moving average. Usually when you have these candlesticks that form without any sort of wicks towards the downside, it usually means the market is looking for a manipulation event. And you can see that on the hourly we saw a very nice gravestone doji, showing the fact that the bears were obviously in control, and immediately after a very strong bullish engulfing candle breaking into our 1839 resistance. I warned you guys in Telegram to be waiting until the 4-hour candlestick closes, and you can see that pretty much the reason why was as soon as we broke above 1839, we saw a massive short squeeze opportunity. Then we saw a very nice retest on the 1839 support. The question, of course, remains now is whether or not we will continue using 1839 as support before we see another retest on 1884. That, of course, is our main target from a bullish case scenario, because this is pretty much where the move set started, and this is likely where things are about to go before we see the continuation to the downside. Now, I want to talk about the daily time frame because I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering what exactly happened on Ethereum. You can see in terms of the price action, we had multiple retests of 1787. We couldn't break below that level, and of course we couldn't break above 1839. This was a very nice consolidation zone, and for those of you that were part of Telegram channel, we were pretty much trading this whole way towards the downside as well as choppy in waters because of the fact that price action was extremely easy to spot. Now that the market has chosen which direction it wants to go, we have to be very careful here because this is not the first time we've seen something happen like this before. You can see in terms of previous price analysis, we saw the exact same wick opportunity at 1856, grabbing that liquidity and then a stronger continuation to the downside. And looking at the daily time frame, we still have 8 hours before it does end up closing, so be very careful. Assuming Ethereum does end up closing below 1839, that's going to be a very clean confirmation for us to actually be looking for towards downside. And of course, if we do end up retesting and rejecting that level, then all eyes still remain on 1715. The reason why the 1715 support level, of course, is very important is looking at previous price analysis, we had multiple retest opportunities in between this range. So seeing a wick high, of course, at 1856 isn't something that we can't ignore because of the fact that we have seen it before. Now, the problem is, of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we do manage to somehow use 1839 as support, then we break above 1884, then things become obviously very tricky. The reason why I say that is because looking at the daily time frame, we have to reject 1884 for a bearish confirmation. Any clean break above that level, and we could be looking for this massive V-shaped formation to play out on the daily time frame, which of course you guys should keep in mind as you guys are trading. The main level that right now we have to pay attention to remains to be at 1884. Any clean rejection formation on that level is going to be the confirmation we want to see from the bearish case scenario. Of course, if we do manage to somehow break below 1839 and use the exponential moving averages as resistance, that's a confirmation that this moveset was just a manipulation and we are looking for further downside on Ethereum. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.